Whether you're a professional cinematographer looking for that perfect 8K shot or a hobbyist searching for a drone that fits in your pocket, DJI has completely redefined the game this year. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best DJI drones of 2026. From the massive sensor upgrades on the new Mavic 4 Pro to the mind-bending FPV capabilities of the Avata 360, we've tested the entire lineup to see which models actually earn a spot in your gear bag. We'll be looking at flight time, AI-driven obstacle avoidance, and of course, that legendary Hasselblad color science. If any of these drones catch your eye, I've included product links in the description below so you can check out the latest pricing and full specs. Let's dive into the list. 5. DJI Mini 4K. Unlock the skies without the stress. Whether you're looking for a quick session with the standard battery or extended exploration with the 93-minute 3-battery set, the DJI Mini 4K lets you say goodbye to battery anxiety and truly let nothing hold you back. Designed to be incredibly beginner-friendly and safe, this drone takes the guesswork out of flying with one-tap takeoff, stable hovering, and a reliable GPS return-to-home RTH feature. If you're a novice, the one-touch operation and in-app tutorials will have you flying like a pro in no time. You can even boost your creative inspiration using intelligent quick shots. With just a few taps, the drone automatically performs complex maneuvers like helix, droney, and boomerang to capture cinematic, dream-worthy footage. This all-in-one kit includes the DJI Mini 4K, an RC-N1C controller, and everything else you need for high-quality 4K flight at an affordable price. 4. DJI Mini 4K Fly Elevate your perspective with the DJI Mini 4K, the ultimate beginner-friendly drone designed to capture your world in breathtaking detail. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this ultra-portable powerhouse bypasses the hassle of FAA registration for recreational use, making it ready to fly right out of the box. Experience cinematic excellence with 4K Ultra HD video stabilized by a professional 3-axis gimbal, ensuring buttery smooth footage even in level 5 winds. Whether you're exploring vast landscapes with a massive 10-kilometer video transmission range or utilizing intelligent quick shots to grab professional-grade social media content with a single tap, the Mini 4K has you covered. With the 3-battery Fly More combo, you'll enjoy up to 93 minutes of flight time, giving you the freedom to chase the perfect sunset without battery anxiety. Don't just watch the view, own it. 3. DJI Mini 3 Elevate your content without the red tape. The DJI Mini 3 is the ultimate lightweight powerhouse, weighing in at under 249 dry, which means no FAA registration or remote ID is required for your recreational flights. Don't let its size fool you. It captures breathtaking 4K HDR video with dual native ISO fusion, ensuring your shots look professional whether you're filming at high noon or under the stars. Plus, with true vertical shooting, your footage is instantly optimized for social media, making skyscrapers and waterfalls look more epic than ever. Stability and endurance are at the heart of this drone. It's level 5 wind resistant, featuring a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth shots even at 4,000 meters altitude. While the standard battery keeps you aloft, the Fly More combo pushes your limits with up to 114 minutes of total flight time. Explore further with a 10-kilometer HD video transmission range and fly with total peace of mind thanks to beginner-friendly features like GPS return to home and auto takeoff. When the session is over, Quick Transfer lets you beam your 4K masterpieces straight to your phone at 25 MB per second. It's everything you need to master the skies right out of the box. 2. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this ultra-light, foldable drone is built for creators on the move, boasting a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures breathtaking 4K 60 FPS HDR video. Whether you're chasing the sunset or navigating the dark, our Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing uses LiDAR technology to keep your flight path safe from every angle. Unlock your creative potential with the 225-degree flexible gimbal, allowing for seamless true vertical filming, perfect for social media, while the upgraded Active Track 360-degree ensures you never lose a subject, even during high-speed cycling. With an extended 36 minutes of flight time and 42 gigabytes of internal storage, you can keep filming long after others have landed. This pro-level bundle includes the DJI RC2, 3 batteries, and a full set of ND filters to give you everything you need for cinematic excellence. 1. DJI Air 3S. Elevate your travel storytelling with the DJI Air 3S, the ultimate dual-camera drone designed to capture the world in its best light. Featuring a massive 1-inch CMOS primary camera, the Air 3S excels where others fade, delivering enriched detail and vibrant 4K 60 FPS HDR video with an incredible 14 stops of dynamic range. Perfect for preserving the delicate textures of a golden hour sunset. Explore new perspectives with the free panorama mode for distortion-free landscapes and fly with total peace of mind thanks to Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Powered by forward-facing LiDAR, this drone intelligently navigates around obstacles even in low-light conditions. With a massive 45-minute flight time and an upgraded smart return to home that works even in weak GPS areas, you have the freedom to scout, shoot, and land safely every single time. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best DJI drones for 2026. Whether you're eyeing the powerhouse Mavic 4 Pro for professional cinema work or the ultra-portable Mini 5 Pro to keep your pack light, DJI has truly pushed the limits of what's possible in the sky this year. If you're ready to take your aerial game to the next level, I've made it easy for you. All the product links, latest pricing, and full specs are waiting for you in the description below. Before you head out, let me know in the comments. Which of these drones are you adding to your kit this year? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the latest tech and cinematography gear. Thanks for watching, fly safe, and I'll see you in the next one.